Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm going to show you my new Kate Spade planner that I just got. Now I got this off of eBay. I did win a bid on it for $60, which I think is really good, free shipping. I saw one in Marshall's for $79.99 that I was going to grab, but I was bidding on this one in eBay, so I had Marshall's put it on hold while I finished my eBay bidding. The retail price, oh, she took it off. She had it on the thing. I forgot. I think the retail price is like $129 or $139 for the Kate Spade. I think this is the Wesley planner, but you can look up. Let me focus that for you. You can look up the item number yourself if you want to. Grove Street. I don't know, the pink one. The one I saw in TJ Maxx in Marshalls, I'm sorry, was black. So I was really glad I wanted to bid for the pink one because I really didn't want a black one. This one has a 20. Why does my thing keep not focusing? I'm sorry, you guys. Okay, there we go. 2017, 2018 calendar. And this is the 2017 calendar, which is why she had it bid so low. But I don't mind. I'm going to take the pages out of my Recollections planner and put them in here. And if they don't fit, I'll find some more. But I'm going to keep the Kate Spade, the little Kate Spade inserts. I'm going to keep these in there. So I don't need the 2017 calendar, but I do want to keep the inserts that come with it. And I'm also going to keep, let's see what else is in here. There is notes, which notes are not dated, so it's okay to keep that. There's a to-do, which is not dated, so we're good on that. There's a birthday, restaurants, whoops, and addresses, which are not dated. Slot here for a pen. I'm really going to have fun decorating this planner. If you don't know, let me get the one that I have now. This is my holographic planner that I have now. I love the holographic planner, and this is my Kate Spade. I don't even know. Let's see. There are my papers in here. I don't even know. I'm trying to do all this with one hand. Oh, it looks like it will fit. It looks like it will fit. It does. And I love the holographic planner too. I wish I was the type of person that can carry two planners, but I just cannot carry two planners. That is like way too much going on in life to have two planners. I don't have a desk at home to have one planner at home. I need to go to one book for everything. Just one book. So I'm not going to get rid of this. I am going to hold it in case I want to flip back and forth. You know, one year I may want to do this. One year I may want to do this. But I have been dying for a Kate Spade planner. And I finally got one. And I got it at a good price. I did not want to pay the prices of the Kate Spade planner. It is in excellent condition off of eBay. She packaged it very beautifully and very well. It's in excellent condition. And I got it for $60. So I'm super excited about that. We're only in March. So I think I'll go ahead and switch my planner to this. And I don't know, I just cannot carry two planners. I wish I could. I was thinking about leaving this one at work with certain things in it, but that's not going to work. I don't know. I'll think about it. And my girls, my daughters, they don't use planners. Well, my daughter in the one in college does, but she already has one because I gifted her a 365 planner. So I don't know, but I am going to hold on to this because the holographic one in the Recollections collection is very hard to find. Michael sells out of these very fast and easy. And I may just go to Michael's and get different inserts and keep the 2018 inserts in here in case I think of something else to use this for. It's probably what I'm going to do is go to Michael's and try to get some inserts for the Kate Spade and not take the inserts out of here. But I want the same small inserts like I have here. I want the same small inserts. So, yeah, this is her. Super excited. I was super excited to win that bid. I have been watching Kate Spade planners for probably about a year, and I finally have one. But if you guys are looking for one at a good price, I'm telling you, check Marshalls and TJ Maxx. They do have them from time to time. There were two in my Marshalls for $79.99. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.